I'm gonna fly VR with this. This is great. Look at this, man. Look how fast and responsive that is. That's impressive. Whoa. Hey, pretty good. Now that's a good response time. Hey everybody, Tommy Drone here. This is the new LBLA FPV drone. I got this through Amazon and I'm really excited about this thing because it has a live Wi-Fi camera that goes right to your phone and you can use it as an FPV drone. I'm really excited about this thing. I'm looking forward to seeing how it goes. So we're going to unbox this right now and see how it looks. It looks like a really cool drone. It's a little bit more than most starter drones. I mean, this thing's $50. Not cheap. But if it works and if it does what I'm hoping it's going to do, we'll find out. So why I like this drone, what got me or got my attention about it is, you know, it's got a 2.4 gigahertz and 6-axis gyro and rate of fly and everything, of course. But I can use this with my VR headset as a FPV flying drone. I can fly this FPV. Not bad. Just gotta trim it. Not bad though. Now the camera is only a 480p HD camera and it will send the video and photos right to your phone, so you use it. And you also will record through your phone. Now the frame here is pretty light. It's very light, so it is extremely light. I'm surprised how light this thing is. Okay, so what that tells me is because it is so light, it's going to get moved around by wind. And also remember, it does not have GPS. This doesn't have GPS, which is why the altitude hold is a good thing, because if you want to maintain a good altitude without having to worry about height. Alright, so this looks like a very easy drone to assemble. The instructions are very clear. Looks good. It has headless mode too, which if you're a new person, I again never use headless mode, but I guess it's okay. I personally don't like headless mode, but it has it there. So the battery is probably in here. So let's take the battery out. Okay, so it slides right out. So this slides, lifts up, and this probably can come up, but I don't recommend it. It's already attached. So you just take your battery out. 550 mAh, 3.7 volt battery, and charge this up. So to open it, you just kind of slide forward, close, lock, and down. Okay, turn it on, the switch right there. So there's an on-off switch right here. You can disconnect the battery and you can adjust the lens right here. It goes down or up, however you want to adjust it. You have lights on the top and on the bottom and in the front too. So that's going to really help with orientation. Also it does have altitude hold, which I personally never use, but you know, if you use altitude hold, it'll help you maintain a good height if you need that. The remote control looks like a nice controller here. I like the holder. This is a very nice holder. It works really well. This is my S5 and I would imagine it'll fit other phones. I'll get my other phones and try that on too. I'll be doing a complete review of this drone, so stay tuned. This is just an unboxing video. But again, this is the LBLA FPV drone and it sells for around $50 and it's available on Amazon. So it also has a 1-key return, so that's kind of cool, little button there, and that'll be your return to home. Oh, there we go. All right, so there you go. So just like a DJI to the side. It's very stable. Not bad. level 2, level 3, level 1. Here's the props. Kind of go on like so. And I'm looking forward to using this. I like the app. The app is pretty easy to use here. And you can get this off the App Store. Fits my phone. Feels good. Feels comfortable. So this is going to be great for flying, guys. I'll probably fly this with my glasses on. That's awesome. All right, back off of that. That's nice and responsive. I like that. So pretty simple to use. All right, so far I'm impressed. I'm looking forward to taking this bad boy out and flying VR with this bad boy. All right, or FPV. For FPV, I think this is a great value, man. I can't look at that. Ready? Watch. I'm gonna say hello. Hi. Hello. Pretty good. I'm impressed. You got it? Yep. So I'm gonna fly backwards and forward. Ready? Mm-hmm. Is that level 3? Oh, it's 3. So it's not a super fast drone. Flies good though. Flies really good. I'm impressed how it works, how it flies slow. Level 1. It's just a lot, level 1's a lot more docile. Thank you, son. That's it. We're done. All right. Fits my phone, feels good, feels comfortable. So again, stay tuned for the full review. That's coming up next. I'm going to be taking this out and testing it. But among the things that I'll be looking at is how well it works as FPV through your phone. My understanding is it does a great job. And also using it as a beginner drone. The drones have gotten much better. They can fly longer now. They're flying better. Now this one only has a flight time of 7 to 8 minutes. However, I don't think it'll fly that long. I'll be surprised if it goes 5 to 6 minutes really, because this is a lot of weight, and it's a 5.7, a 3.7 volt battery at 550 mAh. But you can put on different size batteries too. Like I have a 3.7 volt battery with a 300 mAh. That'll probably work too. So try different battery sizes and so on. Has a nice feel. It's very light, not heavy at all. Feels very nice. Nice bounce. Pretty stable. But I'm gonna have fun. I think this looks like a good drone. So I'm Tommy Drone. This is the unboxing video for this thing, and this is available on Amazon. I got the direct links below, so check that out. But it looks like a pretty cool drone. All right, hey guys, quick update here. So I just took the drone out and flew it, and I am blown away. It flies great. I mean, it's much more responsive than I expected it to be. It works really, really well. The lights are awesome. I love the lights on the thing. They look really great. And the FPV looks like it's going to be a real winner. I haven't fully tested it yet, but so far it looks really cool. So I'm definitely going to be enjoying this drone. So check out the review. It is coming. That's how it looks on here. Has a nice feel. It's very light, not heavy at all. Feels very nice. Nice bounce. Pretty stable. Alright, so anyway, so look at the lights. The lights look kind of cool. I like the lights on this thing. They look kind of good. I like that. I like the lights on top and the lights are on the bottom. It's a good looking drone. The blades look kind of nice, pretty solid looking blades. It looks like a nice quality drone to build and everything. It feels good. I like holding it. It is a handsome looking drone. Alright, well I'm going to really enjoy flying this thing, and I already promised my daughter when I'm done with it I'll give it to her, but I don't know. I might have to buy her another drone instead. I like this thing. I'm going to keep it for myself. We'll see. Alright guys, I'm Tommy Drone. Talk to you all next time.